So here we go. We've got the rectangle with a width of x. So I'm going to change that W over there to an x. Therefore, the length is 2x minus 8. Making a change on the board over here so I don't forget. And I've already marked out where the 4 by 4 inch square is going to be, each corner. I'm going to cut those out. I'm cutting 4 inches from each side. So 4 inch by 4 inch square there, gone. Same on the other corners as well. There's 2 of them down. Third one's about to go. And then the last one here. Okay. Well, what we're left with then is not rectangular anymore. We've got portions of rectangles joined together. Also, we don't have the dimensions we used to have. We just took out 4 by 4 from each corner there. So what's been removed, if you look at each side, for example, of that length, 4 on the left, 4 on the right, for a total of 8 taken away. And it's the same over here. From that width of x, we started out with the whole thing being x inches long, and now we've taken 4 away from this side and on this side for a total of 8 inches taken away. So if I flip this over, we've got x minus 8 over here, and originally we had 2x minus 8. We just took away 8 from each side there. So we have, for this large rectangle inside, we've got dimensions x minus 8 and 2x minus 16. Well, what they're talking about is folding after we cut out the corners. We can fold up the little rectangular sides here. And make a box that does not have a top. To find its area, we would take the length and the width of the base, multiplied, sorry that's backwards, but multiply it by the height of the box. So we're going to have 2x minus 16 by x minus 8 by 4. And I'm going to write the 4 in front.